ONLF, and the statement is titled, "The Illegal Attempt to Stage a Fake ONLF Central Committee Meeting and Congress in Jigjiga." And the statement goes as this. The Ogaden National Liberation Front Executive Committee has received a credible intelligence that the ruling Prosperity Party, PB, of Ethiopia is preparing to stage an illegal and fraudulent event in Jigjiga, falsely presented as a Central Committee meeting and Congress of the ONLF. This desperate move is intended to preempt and sabotage ONLF's legitimate Central Committee meeting scheduled for May 20th, 2025. In recent days, the Somali Regional Administration, under the direct influence of the ruling party, has been dispersing large sums of money to recruit